Alright, so new day, we're heading to the alignment shop right now. You can kind of see we're going straight, but the steering wheel kind of left, but whatever. Feels a lot more stiff. You can completely feel a difference. I was absolutely shocked at the first like drive. So I really want to do a mountain run with this and compare it to like an old video where I probably was feeling a lot more sluggish because this thing just wasn't driving straight. I was literally fixing it half the time. Hey, watch out, bro. Gotta go to that wheel works. Let's get it. Oh man, hopefully it's not packed this Sunday. Yeah, so unfortunately the first shop had like 50 cars this Saturday, so yeah, we ain't gonna wait for that. Let's go see if someone else has a less busy shop. Shit, so we out here at Align Techs and they got some sick ass cars, bruh. What? Let's see. Shit. Okay. Let's see what's going on. Price a dollar for service. Yo, what?
Así de fácil.
What the? Damn, San Jose, I can hear the hoodlum activities. We're gonna be doing the front because of the lower control arm that we just installed, and then we're gonna add some safety pins in there. They said that they do have it, and then when we go to the rear camber arms, we're gonna try to get as close as to zero, and try not to rub because I didn't roll the fender all the way. Yeah, that's about it. We should be driving straight by the time we get out of here. There she goes. That sexy beast. Oh my god, the amount of camber that's on there right now. The car has so much camber right now. I didn't really see it until right now.
So that's the alignment right there?
Yeah, so there needs to be a pin. It's right over here. Right here, there's supposed to be a safety pin.
Yeah, cotter pin.
So you can't really adjust it because there's no camber arm. But the rear, I was trying to get zero. 0%.
Trying to get zero? Zero toe?
Zero camber.
Camber. Is it not gonna rub? Do you have factory camber?
I have adjustable camber arms on there.
Okay.
Yeah. I just installed those. Those are brand new, so
Okay. So let's go to the front right here. I'll show you the number.
okay.
Do you want it exactly in the middle, right? Or do you want it a little more aggressive where it's still the spec? We can bring it to like the borderline.
You can bring it a little bit closer.
I think the spec is -1.
Yeah, I mean,
Yeah,
for the rear.
If you go between -0.8, and right here I think it's -1, I think, right? Or -1.5, or 1.5 or 1.4, yeah. So you want it just like in the green?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm just trying to get like pretty much like so I don't have too much camber.
Bring the toe into spec for you, okay?
Oh, perfect.
Yeah, that's it, right? Okay.
Yeah,
sounds
that
good.
sounds great.
Okay, let's go back to the next shop. Let's go on.
Awesome. Thank you, man. I appreciate it. All right, so they just let me know that I actually installed it incorrectly because although they are adjustable, you're supposed to tighten it kind of like close to the middle or something, so that you can actually have more adjustability on each side. The way I installed it, it was all like the middle part was already to the very left or right on both sides, so it's difficult to change that. So you have to actually remove the one side of the camber arm, twist it so that it has more movability, and then you have to reinstall it. So just a little mess out there, but you guys can learn from my mistakes. So
as of right now, it's perfect, but we have a negative camber issue. If you want to fix that, if you want to bring in the camera good and also the toe good, we need to get another arm, for this one.
Another adjustable arm?
Yeah, and then you'll have to get an offset arm,
Just get an offset arm? Okay.
Yeah.
So your recommendation would be like somewhere around 3% for the rear camber?
Well, I was aiming for just borderline, maybe -1.5, but when I was doing -1.5, this thing was at 1.2 too.
And that's just a lot too much toe.
Yeah, too
for
much
regular
toe.
driving.
You know, this is good, but you're gonna get some tire wear. But
oh man, I was trying to get rid of that.
it's not easy. You'll need another arm.
What was it called again?
It's called an offset arm. Yeah, it's getting better, right? The toe, but the camber is kind of like you want the toe to be good. The camber is getting worse.
Okay.
Every turn of the camber affects the toe. Yeah.
Yeah.
You see that?
Yeah.
That. And that's our number right there.
Okay, so we're gonna try to keep the toe to like the minimum, and then just.
Ideally, I like the toe to be in the center. You know?
Yeah.
Which is good. But there's nothing I can do with this unless you get the new one.
Okay, camber. Okay, that's totally fine.
Yeah. If I do this will be a hell out of the way.
Yeah, and that's just gonna cause like shitty driving. Might as well get the
really
camber.
Shitty driving. So this is pretty good.
Okay, sounds good, man. Perfect. So instead of changing the offset arm, instead of changing this right here, offset arm, we're gonna change this to get the camber fixed. So finally getting rid of the bucket spring.
And your foot, and this room was designed in a way, if you have maids or people working on it for you in this house, they can sleep here, they can kind of have their own kitchen in their own living room zone.
That actually looks a lot closer. Just maybe an extra 10 mil. Get me some good fitment in there. If not, I have to roll the fender more. You see that from what they call this, like that wave looking thing. Look at this flat. Oh boy, you got the fish in there. Do you know what the camber was at originally? So before
the rear was 4.3 and 3.6. Now it's 2.5, 2.4. No.
Okay, so about a degree less.
Yeah.
All right.
Almost a degree now. So.
Cool. Back on the roadway. Looks like we're driving pretty straight. I fuck with this. That guy ain't doing too good, but shit. Oh shit, potholes. Not my alignment. Let's go, buddy. Because of the way I installed it, all part of the learning process, which is okay. Hopefully you guys have some value out of this from my mistakes, so all good there. So alignment techs in San Jose is what I would recommend. They took care of me well. They showed me exactly what they were doing. But shit, for now we're riding back. We're about to go give this car a wash. And take a look, bro, the steering wheel. Let's see. Shit, bro, I've been driving for a minute where I'm just like constantly having to move the steering wheel. Oh my god, what a game changer. This is, I feel like a 2020 car. It almost drives itself. No, I'm playing. But when you have like a busted front lower control arm like I did, oh bro, what a difference. Definitely recommend checking your bushings. I typically don't because I'm horrible. I'm a bad person, but hey, if you want to make sure your car is ready for that track day, definitely take a second look.